DJM TV.
Twitter establishes its African office in Ghana. Hey fam, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and the time with which you saw this particular video. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop any news on our channel. So let's take it straight into what we have for you at this very hour. Social media giant Twitter has announced the opening of its physical office in Ghana. The US-based social media company has been looking for a very good opportunity to site one of their offices in the African continent. Although they say they plan to have more offices in different countries in Africa, but they are starting their very first office in Ghana. While speaking, Jack Dorsey tweeted saying, "Twitter has landed in the continent. Thank you, Ghana," and at Nana Akufo-Addo. This was his own formal way of announcing to the general public that indeed the sighting of Twitter's very first office in the African continent in Ghana has the backing of the Ghanaian government. In 2019, November to be precise, the founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, visited Ghana and he expressed his desire to stay in the country for about 3 to 6 months, of course, in the middle of 2020, but probably because of the pandemic and some other things that happened, the lockdown and all the restrictions, he could not fulfill that desire. But although he said he was not so sure of where he was going to live in Ghana, but he would love to stay in Ghana. And now, upon the announcement of the opening of the headquarters of Twitter in Africa to be sited in Ghana, it goes a long way to show that indeed Jack Dorsey has made his final decision. He also said living in the African continent is a way for him to live, share, and contribute directly to Africa's tech community, even if it's from Ghana. And this is one comment that people in the tech industry does not joke with. Already plans are on ground to employ people to man the physical office of Twitter in Ghana. So if you're interested in the job, of course, visit their website for more information about the vacancy. Also, Nana Akufo-Addo was very happy that Jack Dorsey brought the office of Twitter to his country, Ghana. He tweeted and he said, "The choice of Ghana as the headquarters for Twitter Africa's operation is an excellent news, and the government welcomes this idea wholeheartedly and are very happy that Twitter has confidence in their country." Now, of the many countries in the African continent, why Ghana? Why did Twitter decide to place their very first physical office in Ghana? Why not Nigeria? Why not South Africa? Why not Kenya? Why Ghana? Well, there are very simple reasons for choosing Ghana as the first African office for Twitter is the fact that Ghana has the world ranking of ease of doing business. The World Bank has ranked Ghana 118 when it comes to the ease of doing business, especially in Africa. Now, Nigeria ranks 131. Yes, 118 is not a perfect score. A perfect score is 1. All right? So when they rate a country 1, it means it's very easy to do business in that country. Yes, 118 is still far. when it comes to ease of doing business in various countries of the world, but it's still better than what we have in Nigeria, what's obtainable. Nigeria is 131. That's Nigerians ranking when it comes to the ease of doing business. And now, according to Twitter's boss, said they chose to put their office in Ghana. Firstly, because it's easy to do business in Ghana, and then also Ghana has gone a very long way when it comes to supporting democracy, freedom of speech, online freedom, and of course the internet. Now, not so long ago, the Senate of Nigeria were trying to pass a bill which they call the hate speech bill, which is aimed at checking what people post on social media in Nigeria, and if they see it's inappropriate, of course, to the government, you get arrested. Now, Twitter chose Ghana because Ghana has freedom of speech, freedom of association online. Whatever you post online, it's entirely your business, and of course, they support the open internet. Although some people are saying it's probably because of this, Ghana has, their laws are a little bit relaxed when it comes to the LGBTQI plus, and although there are little scuffles here and there with the LGBTQI plus people, but it seems Ghana is a little bit relaxed with them, and some people are speculating that this is the reason, or might be one of the reasons, why Twitter chose Ghana as their head office in Africa. Now, of course, as expected, so many people have reacted to this news of Ghana being the headquarters of Twitter in Africa. Now, first of all, if you remember correctly, there is a scuffle between Nigeria and Ghana because of its food, jollof rice. I tell you, Ghana jollof is better than Nigerian jollof, but Nigerians say Nigerian jollof is better than Ghana jollof. Now, in reaction to this news about Twitter citing their office in Ghana, many Ghanaians have come out to tweet and to say Ghana being the headquarters of Africa, of Twitter in Africa, is a welcome idea. And in fact, I'm going ahead to thank the President General of the owner of Twitter, and they've also gone ahead to appreciate their president for allowing this great move. Now, Twitter is not the first social media company to cite its office in Africa. In September 2020, Facebook announced that before the beginning or the end of the second half of 2021, they will open their office in Lagos, Nigeria. Also, Microsoft has its data center in Lagos, and it was opened in July 2020. Google has also opened its first development space for Africa in Lagos in January 2020. Of course, Ghana also has Google's first artificial intelligence research center in Accra, and it was opened in 2018. South Africa has Facebook's headquarters for Africa in the city of Johannesburg, and it was opened in June 2015. And also in March, Google also launched their first data center for Africa inside of Cape Town and Johannesburg. Amazon Web Services also has their data center in Cape Town, South Africa, as well as Microsoft. And Microsoft offices, they're located in Nairobi, Kenya. And one of them was opened in 2019, the Africa Development Center. And also in July 2020, Microsoft launched its Microsoft African Research Institute in Kenya. And they said, of course, this is going to be a development center. So a very big congratulations to Africa and Ghana in particular for bringing these big social media companies to Africa and giving them opportunity to do business in Africa, thereby leading to the development of our tech sector. Now, what do you think about Twitter citing their first headquarters in Ghana? Drop your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video. If you've not subscribed, please do so immediately and turn on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Check out our website at www.djmtv.news, and you can also place your advert with us and be rest assured that your advert will get to the desired market. Well, until come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, I remain your host, Lawuru Favor, telling you that Africa is ready for the next big thing.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM